Alright, this time we're going to be given let's say that we're given 2x minus y is equal to 5, and we're asked to find m. And remember what m is. M is the slope. We want to find the slope, and we're just given this right here. So how are we going to do that? Well, one way to do this is we can always solve for y in this problem, and that is I'm going to take this 2x over to the other side. Becomes negative 2x multiplied through by negative 1. So we have y is equal to negative 5, then plus 2x. Now remember, I said that this coefficient right here represents the slope. So m is equal to 2. So all you got to do is solve for y and then look for this coefficient that's in front of x right here. Alright, so let's take a look at another one of those. Let's say, for example, we had 4x plus 3y is equal to 6, and we want to know what is m, right? That's the slope. I'll write it out again so you don't forget. We want to find the slope of this equation, or we'd say the slope of the line if we graphed it out. So I'm going to solve for y in this problem. So that means I'm going to take this 4x over to the other side, and I'm going to multiply both sides by 1/3. And so we're going to be left with negative 4/3 x plus 2. That's multiplying this 1/3 across each one of these terms here. And so what is the slope? The slope is negative 4/3. The slope is negative 4/3. So it's that simple. Just solve for y in the problem and then look at the coefficient in front of x. Now there's something else that needs to be mentioned. When we were given 2 points or a slope, we were given m, say for example is 5, and a point, and we wanted to find y is equal to mx plus b. Now this form right here is the slope-intercept form. This is the slope and this is the intercept. This is known as the slope-intercept form. Okay. There's another form called the point-slope form. Remember, m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is how we define the slope. But if I were to do this and take this x2 minus x of 1 over to this side, in other words, x of 2 minus x of 1 times m is equal to y of 2 minus y of 1 right here. Okay, and sometimes we do this. This is known as the point slope form, and that is but usually we do something to this. Now I'm going to rewrite this back in this form here. We're going to write y though. This y2 right here, I'm going to just write a y minus the y1 is equal to x minus x of 1 times m. So I just kind of flipped it around and I went ahead and set this x of 2 and y of 2 just for y and x. Alright, so this is our point slope form right here. This is the point and then the slope. And of course, you can always take this y1 over to the other side, right, solving for y. Okay, so these are kind of the two forms. Sometimes you're just given this, you know, you want to find m or you want to find